Commander, welcome to the Globolqonqueast tutorial. During this training session, you'll be instructed on the basic functions of the interface and your army. In the upper right of the screen is your world map. You can jump to any location on the map by clicking within the map. This map will tell you the location of known bases and strike forces. Below the map is the global condition bar. These bars indicate how close each faction is to their alternate victory condition. The bar will rise as the faction gets closer to victory. When the bar is filled, that faction will be victorious. For the purposes of the tutorial, the alternate victory conditions are disabled. Now let's begin your strategic training. Bases are the foundation of your army. Your base allows you to build strike forces, mine Tiberium, and control cities and ports. To select the base, move your cursor over the construction yard icon and left-click.
New objective received. Objective complete.
When you select a base, all the structures contained within that base are displayed. Bases are surrounded by an area of influence. Tiberium under the base's area of influence will be harvested every turn, contributing to your resources located under the world map. The command bar is located across the bottom of the screen. This is where all base and strike force commands are issued. One of a base's primary functions is to build strike forces. To create a strike force, left-click on the Recruit Strike Force button in the command bar.
Constructing strike force.
You will need to select the deployment location for each strike force you recruit. Click on the Next Phase button in the center of the command bar when you're ready. Left-click within the area of influence of your base to deploy the strike force. Congratulations, you've built a strike force. Select it now. When you select a strike force, the sidebar will display all the units it contains. Strike forces containing MCVs can build bases. In order to expand, you'll need to establish a base in Europe. We will need to utilize a port to move the strike force across the Atlantic Ocean. Ports are denoted by an anchor next to a colored city icon. The strike force's movement range is indicated by the surrounding circle. With your strike force selected, right-click over the indicated marker to get in range of the port.
New objective received.
Your strike force has now been issued a move order.
Strike force moving out.
Each of your bases can be one of 3 tier levels. Upgrading your base's tier increases your area of influence, allows you to build more powerful units, and unlocks new powers. Select your base.
New objective received.
And left-click on Upgrade Base Tier to move your base to Tier 2.
Objective complete.
Good. The base will upgrade at the beginning of the next turn.
Upgrading base tier.
Click on the Next Phase button in the center of the command bar when you're ready. Continue upgrading your base so you can build more advanced strike forces. Upgrade your base to Tier 3 now.
New objective received. Upgrading base tier.
Press Next Phase to continue.
Objective complete.
Select your strike force near the port. Ports can be used to move strike forces between areas. All port transits take 1 turn. With your strike force selected, left-click on the Transport button in the command bar.
New objective received.
Available transport locations will appear as radiuses around the globe. Left-click within the European port radius now. Your strike force will arrive next turn. Press Next Phase to continue. Now that we have a Tier 3 base, go ahead and recruit the Tier 3 strike force.
New objective received. Constructing strike force.
Good. Now let's focus on controlling the cities in Europe. Cities have 2 attributes, population and unrest. Each faction influences population and unrest in different ways and gains benefits from their respective levels. To control a city, the city must be within your base's area of influence. Let's build a new base to control the European city designated by the marker. Select your European strike force and then left-click on the Build Base button in the command bar.
New objective received.
Now left-click to place the base within the Strike Force's movement range. Your base will be built at the end of this turn.
Initiating base construction.
Click on the Next Phase button in the center of the command bar when you're ready. Notice that the city you now control in Europe generated bonus resources this turn. GDI bases automatically increase a city's population, denoted by the number of frames around a city's icon. The greater the population, the more resources GDI bases will receive each turn. However, screen bases automatically decrease a city's population and convert the decreased population into resources. Nod bases, on the other hand, automatically increase a city's unrest, denoted by the color of the city's icon. The greater the unrest, the more resources nod bases will receive each turn. Nod's alternate victory condition is to convert a certain number of cities to the red unrest level. However, GDI bases also decrease unrest to prevent this. Regardless of the faction you're playing, controlling cities is a strategic imperative. Bases can also be upgraded with extra defenses or power plants. Upgrading base defenses increases your base's chance of victory in a combat situation. Select your base in Europe, then left-click on the Upgrade Base Defenses button in the command bar.
New objective received.
Each time you build a base, you will lose the MCV in the Strike Force. Strike forces within the area of influence of a friendly base can be repaired, and any missing units will be replenished.
New objective received.
Tier 3 bases can construct special buildings called strategic structures.
Resupplying Strike Force.
Strategic structures provide support powers and bonuses for Tier 3 bases. Build an ion cannon strategic structure at your North American base. Select the base and left-click on Construct Strategic Structure in the command bar.
New objective received.
Good. Remember that only one strategic structure may be constructed at each base. In addition, the Scrin's alternate victory condition is to build a certain number of Threshold Tower strategic structures. Strike Forces can be upgraded at Tier 3 bases. This will provide the Strike Forces units with all of their available upgrades. Select your new Strike Force in North America and left-click Upgrade Strike Force in the command bar.
New objective received.
Click on the Next Phase button in the center of the command bar when you're ready. GDI's alternate victory condition is to control a significant amount of the global land area under their area of influence. You should continue expanding GDI's influence with your European operation. Select your European Strike Force and build a new base at the designated marker.
New objective received.
Now left-click to place the base within the Strike Force's movement range. Press Next Phase to continue. Commander, a Nod base was stealthed in the area. Stealth Nod bases and Strike Forces can be revealed once they overlap in our area of influence. Battles can be fought either in real time or by auto-resolving. For this engagement, we will use auto-resolve. To initiate a battle, move your cursor over the battle marker and left-click. Battles can be resolved without your direct input. Select auto-resolve to do so.
Tactical AI engaged. Tactical AI defeated.
Commander, you should reinforce your European base with your upgraded Tier 3 Strike Force. Since you already have a base in Europe, you can use the airlift transport ability instead of port move. With your Strike Force selected, left-click on the Transport button in the command bar.
New objective received.
Notice the radial around your European base. Left-click within the radial to airlift the Strike Force. Your Strike Force will arrive next turn. Press Next Phase to continue. Commander, your Strike Force has arrived in Europe. You can now assault the Nod base. Select your Strike Force and right-click on the Nod base to attack it. We should also soften up the Nod base by using the Ion Cannon support power.
Strike Force moving out.
Left-click on the Ion Cannon support power and then left-click on the Nod base. All support powers execute between the action and battle phases.
Ion Cannon activated.
Press Next Phase to continue.
Mammoth tank ready. Armor superiority. Yes, sir.
Yep.
New construction options.
Mammoth tank. Mammoth advancing.
All set. Hit the thrusters. Acknowledged. New course received. Copy that. Hit the
Enemy
thrusters.
base sighted.
Roger that.
Unit
Fire
under
hawk here.
attack.
Good to go. All set. I see him. We'll take that area.
Eyes on the sky. Sonic's powered up.
Yes, sir. Mammoth tank.
Building. Training. On hold. Cancelled.
Ready for battle. Engage Sonics.
Unit under attack. Construction
over there.
complete.
Well, let's do this thing.
We're taking fire. Blow them away. Systems ready.
Enemy defeated. You are victorious.
Congratulations, Commander. You've completed the Global Conquest tutorial. You are now ready to play Global Conquest mode.
Mission accomplished.
Upgrading base tier. Upgrading base tier. Upgrading base tier. Upgrading base defenses. Upgrading base tier. Upgrading base tier. Upgrading base defenses. Warning, Temple of Nod detected. Upgrading base tier. Nuclear missile activated.
Ready for coordinates. Acknowledged. Hit the thrusters. Roger that, Command. Firehawk on its way.
Enemy unit sighted. Enemy base sighted.
Copy that. I'll take this.
Unit under attack. Tiberium exposure detected.
What do you need? We hear you. Moving. Let's go, troopers. Let's move. Let's do it. Let's get over there. We hear you. Sit tight. Shut this party down. Oh yeah. Have at it.
Unit under attack.
Let's get over there. Oh yeah. Take 'em. Let's go, troopers. Have at it. Oh yeah. We got 'em.
Unit
Shut
lost.
this party down. Let's move. Get a
Unit
load of
under
this.
attack.
We got this one. Take 'em. We got this one. I'll check it out. Get a load of
Unit
this.
promoted. unit sighted.
Looking good. This one's mine.
Have some of this. Have at it. Get a load of
Under
this.
attack.
Pin him down. Got it. We hear you. Take.
Unit promoted.
Oh yeah.
Firehawk here. Target confirmed.
Keep them coming. Let's do it. Let's move.
Unit under attack.
We hear you. Move
Enemy
it.
unit sighted.
Got it.
Ready for coordinates. I see him. New course received. That's an RTB.
Trooper squad. We got him.
Where's our next target? Scanning new area.
Troopers in the field. Let's go, troopers. Time to go. Let's go, troopers. Have at it. Got it. Get a load of this.
Enemy defeated. You are victorious. Resupplying strike force. Operation cancelled. Strike force moving out. Upgrading base tier. Upgrading base tier. Strike force moving out. Tactical AI engaged. Tactical AI defeated. Upgrading base defenses. Upgrading base power supplies. Strike force moving out. Ion cannon activated. Constructing strike force.
Looking good. Prepare for land.
What do you need? We hear you. Got it. We hear you. Let's move. Let's go, troopers. Got it. Moving. Let's move. Got it.
Enemy unit sighted.
Take it. Sit tight.
Unit under attack.
Under control here. I'll check it out. We hear
Unit
you.
lost.
Get him down. Oh yeah. Get a load of this. Oh yeah. Get him down.
Unit under attack.
Keep him coming. We got this one. What's the call? I'll check it out. What do you need? Let's get over there.
Enemy base sighted.
Let's do it. Pin him down. Hey! Moving. I'll check it out. Got it. Get a load of this. Shut this party down.
What's the call? On the move.
Enemy unit sighted.
Some of this. Get a load of this. We got this one. Pin him down.
Where's our next target? He'll go down.
Unit under attack. Unit eliminated.
In my scope. Clear shot.
We got this handle. Have at it.
Stealth unit detected.
We got this one.
Watch this. Not a problem.
Have some of this.
Unit under attack.
Get a load of this. Time to go. We got this one. Get a load of this. Oh yeah. Have at it. Let's go, troopers. Got it. Shut this party down. Moving.
Stealth unit
Let's
detected.
go, troopers. Oh yeah. Pin him down. Oh yeah. Pin him down. Get a load of this.
Unit promoted.
Pin him down.
Firehawk standing by. This one's mine.
Under control. Shut this
Unit
party
under
down.
attack.
Bomber standing by.
Take that. Have at it.
Unit lost.
Shut this party down.
Firehawk here. Approaching target.
Enemy defeated. You are victorious. Tactical AI engaged. Tactical AI defeated. Strike force moving out. Constructing strike force. Nuclear missile activated. Repairing base. Strike force moving out. Constructing strike force.
Systems engaged. Reclamation in progress. Make some room.
Unit under attack. Enemy unit sighted.
On my way. Combat vector engaged. Bringing in the big guns. Reclamation in progress. Make some
Enemy
room.
unit sighted.
Revising deployment vector. Full power. Take him out. Make some room. Adjusting position. Make some room. I'll do it.
Unit under attack.
Make some room. On my way. I'll clear the way. On my way. En route.
Enemy unit sighted.
Adjusting position.
Unit promoted. Unit
I'll clear the
under
way.
attack.
Make some room. Reclamation in progress.
Enemy unit sighted. Enemy base sighted.
On my way. Reclamation in progress.
Unit
Watching
under
my
attack.
six. Crush them. Deploying armaments. Revising deployment vector. Enemy sighted. Emitter array engaged. Adjusting position.
Unit under attack.
Combat vector engaged. Make some room. Full power. Take him out. I'll clear the way. Size matters.
Unit under attack.
Deploying armaments. Make some room. Watching my 6. Crush them. Reclamation in progress. Full power. Heavy firepower. Emitter array engaged. Deploying armaments.
Unit promoted.
Combat vector engaged. Full power. Bringing in the big guns. On my way. Reclamation in progress.
Unit under attack.
Make some room. Assault Vector Alpha. Full power. Adjusting position. I'll clear the way. Crush them. Overwhelming.
Unit
Rising
under
deployment
attack.
vector. Bringing in the big guns. Assault initiated. Watching my 6. Heavy firepower. En route. Crush them. Bringing in the big guns. Crush them. Assault Vector Alpha. Bringing in the big guns. Crush them.
Unit under attack. Enemy defeated. You are victorious.
Looking good. Roger that, Command. Acknowledged. New course received. Hit the thrusters. Copy that. We'll
Enemy
take that
unit
area.
sighted.
No problem.
Unit under attack.
Abort mission.
Unit lost.
Bomber standing by. Acknowledged. We're clear. Got it. Returning to base.
This area clear?
Squad.
Ready for coordinates.
All right, what do you got? I'm there.
What's the call?
Looking good. It's a go.
What do you need?
Unit under attack.
They'll go down.
We're clear. We're going in.
Our base is under attack. Unit lost. You have lost. Resupplying strike force. Initiating base construction. Strike force moving out. Strike force moving out. Upgrading strike force. Upgrading base tier. Ion cannon activated. Upgrading base tier. Strike force moving out. Strike force moving out. Initiating base construction. Upgrading strike force. Nuclear missile activated. Resupplying strike force. Upgrading base tier. Warning, rift generator detected. Ion cannon activated. Strike force moving out. Constructing strike force. Constructing strike force. Strike force moving out. Initiating base construction. Strike force moving out. Initiating base construction. Strike force moving out. Upgrading base defenses. Rift generator activated. Upgrading base tier. Resupplying strike force. Upgrading base tier. Upgrading base defenses. Upgrading strike force. Nuclear missile activated. Repairing base. Strike force moving out. Strike force moving out. Upgrading base tier. Strike force moving out. Strike force moving out. Constructing strike force. Tactical AI engaged. Tactical AI victorious. Strike force moving out. Strike force moving out. Ion cannon activated. Strike force moving out. Constructing strike force. Strike force moving out. Constructing strike force. Rift generator activated. Tactical AI engaged. Tactical AI defeated.
Trooper squad, what's the call? Let's go, troopers.
MCV unit.
New construction options. Building.
Ready to deploy.
Construction complete. Building. Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Construction complete. Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Training. Construction complete. Enemy unit sighted. New construction options. Building.
Superiority.
Ready to
Unit
roll.
under attack.
I got their code.
Insufficient funds.
Unrivaled fire. Drop 'em. Pushing forward. Fire.
Construction complete.
Let's have some fun. Roll over.
Unit lost. Construction complete. Unit under attack.
Size matters. On my way.
New construction options.
Everything's ready. This way clear?
Enemy base sighted. Training. Low power.
Missile squad
Building.
ready for combat.
Ready to roll.
Missile squad ready for combat.
Construction complete. Unit promoted.
I'll clear the way.
Missile squad ready for combat.
Unit under attack.
Make some room.
Missile squad ready for combat.
Insufficient funds.
Listen up, Missile Squad.
Missile squad ready for combat.
Yes, sir.
Reporting in. Everything's ready. Am I
Missile
covered?
squad ready for combat.
Building captured.
Engaged.
Heavy
Missile squad
firepower.
ready for combat.
Enemy sighted.
Unit under attack.
Overwhelming. Heavy firepower. Assault vector alpha. Assault initiated. Full power. Deploying armaments. Assault vector alpha.
Silos needed.
Overwhelming.
Unit promoted.
Full power. I'll clear the way. Combat vector engaged.
Mammoth tank. Rolling.
Training.
Rifle squad ready. Forward advance! Rifle squad ready. Reporting in.
Rifle squad ready. Coming in clear, Commander. Hostiles in the area.
Rifle squad
Building
ready.
captured.
Ready to roll.
Rifle squad ready. Rifle squad
Bringing in
ready.
the big guns.
Enemy defeated. You are victorious.
Rifle squad ready. Rifle squad ready.
Strike force moving out.
Yep.
New construction options. Building. Tiberium exposure
Firehawk
detected.
standing by. Prepare for land.
That's right.
Let's get to the front. What do you have?
I'm the Juggernaut. Mobile
Construction
artillery.
complete.
What's the status?
Low power. Building. Building in progress.
Watch the horizon.
Yes, sir. Armor
Construction
superiority.
complete. New construction options. Building. On hold. Cancelled. Building.
What do you need? Got it.
Construction complete. Building. Construction complete. Cannot deploy here. New construction options. Building. On hold. Cancelled. Building.
What do you see? Any enemies around?
New construction options. Building.
Resonance status green.
I'm the Juggernaut. On standby.
Construction complete. Construction complete. Cannot deploy here. New construction options. Training. Building. On hold. Cancelled. Building. New construction options. Building. Building. Construction complete. Insufficient funds. Construction
Sniper team,
complete.
let's get there.
Construction complete.
Got it.
Let's get to that tip zone.
Building. Enemy unit sighted. Upgrade complete. Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Building. On hold. Cancelled. Building. Building. Construction complete. Construction complete. Building. Cannot deploy here. Building in progress. Insufficient funds. Cannot deploy here. New construction options. Construction complete. Training. Cannot deploy here.
Firehawk docked and ready.
Training.
Firehawk docked and ready.
Ready for base expansion. Let's have a look around. This might work.
Firehawk docked and ready.
How's it over here? Gotcha.
Upgrade complete.
Bomber standing by.
Insufficient funds.
Firehawk docked and ready.
Building.
Surveyor.
Construction complete. Unit under attack. Unit lost.
Firehawk docked and ready.
Building. Tiberium deployed.
Let's have some fun.
Our base is under attack. Construction complete.
Firehawk docked and ready.
Pushing forward.
Building. Construction complete. Building.
We're clear.
Insufficient
Firehawk
funds.
on its way. It's a go. Ready for coordinates. Firehawk
Unit under
standing by.
attack. Upgrade complete.
No problem.
Our base is under
Roger that,
attack.
Commander.
What do you have? Rolling. Move it up. Yes, sir. Mammoth head. Let's get to the front. Going in.
Ready for
Unit
coordinates.
under attack. Warning. Leak generator detected.
That's an RTB.
Ready here. Yes, sir. Mammoth tank ready.
Training.
Sonic's ready.
Looking good. Prepare for land.
Repairing. Repairing.
Ready here. Rolling.
I got all I need.
That's right. Time to go.
Unit recovered.
Troopers in the field. We got 'em.
Insufficient funds. On hold. Cancelled. Training.
What do you need? Sit tight.
Building.
Troopers in the field. Moving. I'll check it out.
Ready for base expansion.
Set him up and I'll knock him down. Already there.
Let's get to the front. Yes, sir. Moving.
What'd you have in mind?
Firehawk here. Approaching target. Ready for coordinates. No problem.
Juggernaut, let's get her
Unit
moving.
under attack.
Looking good.
Ready here.
Construction complete.
Move it up. Yes, sir. Take us down. Pushing forward. Yes, sir. Roll over.
Unit promoted. Building. Construction complete. Building. Training.
I got their codes. Commander, we can use this. I got their codes. It's all ready. Got it.
Well,
Unit recovered. Insufficient funds.
Resonance status green.
Approaching target.
Mammoth tank. Pushing forward.
We're clear.
Coordinates. Closing
Construction complete. Unit promoted.
Armor superiority.
Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Unit lost. Unit under attack. Repairing.
Let's get to the front. Take them down.
Training.
I got their codes.
Training.
I got their codes. I can figure it out. Am I covered?
Insufficient funds.
I'll see you there. Let's go to work. I can get that thing working.
Unit recovered.
Firehawk docked and ready.
Unit recovered. Building.
Shatterer, standing by.
Going up. We're going in.
Unit under attack. Unit lost.
Firehawk, standing by.
Construction complete.
Good. I'll take this.
Select target. Select target.
Confirmed. Airstrike's on its way.
New construction options. Training.
Yes, sir. Taking it there.
Unit under attack. Insufficient funds.
Let's set her up. 10-4 on that.
Tiberium exposure detected. Warning, rift generator activated. Our base is under attack. Harvester under attack. Harvester
Let's
lost.
get to the front.
Unit under attack.
MCV unit.
Cancelled.
Get her moving.
New construction options.
What's the status?
Walker's in motion.
Training. Training.
I got their codes.
Training.
I got their codes.
Ready for base expansion. Take your time.
On standby. Let's get her moving.
Ready here.
Insufficient
On arrival.
funds.
Let's have a look around.
Engineer reporting in. Let's go to work.
Unit recovered. Training.
What do you need? Let's go, troopers.
Building.
Careful. Ready the loaders.
We got this handled.
Reporting in. Securing area.
Mammoth, take a symbol.
I got their codes. I'll find a way inside.
We're here.
Structure sold.
What's the call? Let's move. Let's get over there.
Armor superiority.
On hold. Cancelled. Building captured. Construction complete. Training. Training. Insufficient funds.
Troopers in the field.
Unit under attack. Unit lost.
Have at it.
Missile
That's
squad
right. What
ready
do you
for
have?
combat.
Unstoppable. Pushing forward.
We're clear. Target confirmed.
Our base is under
Ready here.
attack.
What do you have? Close in. Move it out.
Firehawk, docked and ready.
Armor superiority.
Unit under
Move it
attack.
up. Yes, sir.
Cancelled. You have lost. Upgrading base defenses. Repairing base. Initiating base construction. Constructing strike force. Tactical AI engaged. Tactical AI victorious. Strike force moving out. Strike force moving out. Upgrading strike force. Nuclear missile activated. Stealth unit detected.
Let's set her up.
New
At your
construction
service.
options.
Raider squad ready. Yeah, what do you want? At your service. Ready for zone ops? Let's get in there. Let's get going. Raider squad ready. Ready for zone ops. At your service. Raiders on the move.
Ground support. Copy.
Enemy unit sighted.
Target acquired.
Unit
Free
under
fire.
attack.
Death from
Unit
above.
lost.
Free fire. Watch for flak. Safety off. Death from above. Hose him down. Target acquired. Death from above. Acknowledged. Target acquired. Hose him down. Getting there. Target acquired. Moving out. Acknowledged. Getting there. Ground support on the way. Moving out. Watch for flak. Moving
Enemy
out.
unit sighted.
Hose him down.
Enemy defeated. You are victorious. Upgrading base tier. Strike force moving out. Iron cannon activated. Resupplying strike force. Upgrading strike force.